Hello everyone, this is Stephanie Pettis in the Rolling Studio, and today I am bringing you these Dollar Tree organza bags. I got these from the Dollar Tree. There's 8 to a package, and the reason that I bought them was for, of course, putting, trinkets and gifts in them and whatnot. But the other night I was working on a project, and I kind of needed a flower, and I didn't have the flower I needed in my truck, so I thought, well, I got to come up with something. And I thought, well, maybe I can make an organza flower with those organza bags. And I pulled out my scissors, getting ready to cut them up, and then I'm like, wait a minute. There's got to be another way. I really didn't want to cut it up for some reason. I mean, I don't know, but this is kind of what I came up with. So I hope you like it. It's very simple and easy. You just stick your fingers in there, tuck the center, grab a hole, basically turn it almost inside out. But if you were to turn it inside out, this is how you would grab it, except that you get to a stopping point, and just before you pull that bottom all the way out, you want to pull those drawstrings, and it makes a flower. It's as simple as that. I don't know if anyone else has thought of this. I thought of it out of desperation of needing a flower. So if it's out there, I'm assuring you I didn't know it. But if it wasn't, it is now. So it was pretty cool because I didn't know that it was going to turn out like that. It was so cool. Look at it. I mean, it's awesome. I love it. And it worked out for me. And I thought it was pretty, incredible because I didn't expect it. I didn't pre-think it. It just kind of happened. So, and I ended up leaving these little drawstrings as character to the flower as well. So I'll demonstrate it for you a couple more times, and then you can just kind of see what I did with it. And please, please, please pardon my nails. I haven't had a chance to work with them, do anything. They look rough, so I do apologize for that. But hey, I was making projects, and ain't nobody got time for that. I'm just saying. Alright, so here it is again. You grab the center like you're going to pull it inside out, and you just pull it just a little bit to the edge. And then once you get it there, you just pull the want to make sure you tuck it in there. Pull that drawstring. It works. Once you tuck it. And there you have it. Apparently I struggled with this one, but you get the gist. You just pull that little center like you're going to pull it inside out. Pull that drawstring. Flip the edges over like so. Well, I should show you here in a minute. Oh, these voiceovers, I'm always ahead of myself. Like that. Now you have it looks like a little rose to me, but I'm just calling it a flower, but it looks like a rose. So there you go. Organza bag, Dollar Tree organza bag, flowers. Beautimous. I love it. And I was tired this night, so always got to be fidgeting with something more than it needs to be. It's actually very simple. Y'all saw it. And then I just put some glue on the center. You can put a little piece of felt on the bottom if you want. I didn't. I just stuck them to my project. So there you go. Dollar Tree organza bags. Hey, it works, y'all. Oh, and let me just say this while I'm here. I did a live show the other night, and I announced that I was going to be doing a subby giveaway. And so I want you guys to know that I will put a link to the video in the description box below, so that you can go back and comment under that video, because that's where you're going to need to go to comment on that video. What you need to comment is what's your favorite video of mine and why. And then the only other thing that you got to do is make sure you're a subscriber, and make sure that you're public so that I can see that you're a subscriber to me. So if if I know that you're a subscriber and I know who you are, that might be different, but you might want to tell me anyway in your comment, just to remind me, and I'll know if you are or not. If you choose to remain silent or private, but I have to really know you and know that you are a subscriber. So, anyways, that's my subby giveaway, and that will be announced. I'm trying to reach 500, but that will be announced by March 15th, whether I hit 500 or not. I'm hoping I do, so you guys help me out. Tell your friends about me. And also, there's going to be a challenge. Also for March 15th is the end date, so you have plenty of time. And that challenge will be make anything you want. It can be shabby. It can be, anything. It doesn't have to be shabby. Because Stephanie's not shabby, but Stephanie went shabby a little bit ago, and I'm going to try to do more shabby projects, but it does not have to be shabby. It can be any kind of craft. Paper craft, jar craft, shabby craft, it doesn't matter, but it has to light up. So anything you want, and it has to light up, and you have to do a video recording or pictures. And if you do pictures, you're going to have to post them and send me a link, or post them on my Facebook page, Stephanie Pettis in the Rolling Studio. So all my links will be in the description box below. So come join me, help me grow my channel, and continue the journey. So looking forward to seeing you guys, and hope you enjoy the flowers. And just to notate, the music that you're listening to is my latest creation from the Music Maker Jam app, which is Endless Tranquility. Enjoy. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.